Merch, like I said, join members tab, get exclusive footage like this. This is about to become private. This is going to be my last the public. What happened behind the scenes, check it out and person. Maybe she did a whole album on YouTube. Wouldn't that be cool? Alexa sings on YouTube. I can see it in big bright lights.
It's just Lex.
It's just Lex. It's just Lex. On YouTube.
I already have one video, but it's from a year ago.
I know you get ready to redo it. Wardrobe change though. Be right back, y'all. YouTube, it's your boy Mike Tees back at you with another video. Today, y'all, we're going to be trying out that Ricoma hat press. Was it really worth that much money? Is it all it is supposed to be or cracked up to be? We're getting ready to find out. Oh yeah, by the way, did y'all check out the press time products in the beginning, in the B-roll? That's about to drop. It's around the corner. So we're going to just take this, we're going to curl it over, famous loop, just like so, pull back. And like James and Seek and all of them say, I am an aggressive weeder. Look at that. 2.5 seconds. Just got to go in and get those cavities, which is neither here nor there. They're going to come up so easy for me. If your cut settings are right, you will not have any issue. Mind you, I'm weeding on top of a piece of glass, y'all. So that part plays a part, a major part. Bam. One last little piece. Just like that. Y'all gonna have to tell me what these countdown times is looking like. So we're gonna go ahead and set our temperature. We'll simply touch the target. Touch the target temp thing, and we're gonna put 320 degrees. Yo, hit enter. Now that goes up to 220 Celsius. Hey, it tells me what it is in Celsius. That's slick. Celsius, that's slick. And this needs to be at, oh, that's my current temp. Lord Jesus. Time, we're going to press for 15 seconds. Enter. And, all right. By the way, did I tell y'all about the pattern of the month? It's that rose gold foil, flex foil from ECONOTRANSFER. Go check that out. I actually did a video over that. Also, go check that out. Shouts out to ECONOTRANSFER. I'm pretty sure you guys know that you can press masks with your hat press. I couldn't find a piece of Teflon sheet, so I happily slapped a mask on top of that. My daughter said, let's talk about it, so we talked about it, and there it is. So when I go to press this, it's actually going to have this as a barrier between the heat and the actual carrier sheet. And once again, y'all, that's ECONOTRANSFER. Hit that link in the description. So are you looking for something that takes color very well? Something that you want possibly panel or maybe make a great presentation on the wall? Maybe a memorabilia or a present or a photo for a family member. Press Time products. You can get them right now. Actually, the beginning of April. But from 12 Gone to Power or myself, Mike Tees, we're getting a website together. And this is Press Time product once again. Takes color, has a nice shine to it, and there's a couple videos out over on 12 Gone Apparel's channel and on mine. Nice detail. Are you in the business of making stickers? Well, if you make custom shirts, you can make custom stickers. You can take any one of the ECONOTRANSFER's vinyl, or any vinyl for that matter, and turn it into a sticker. Want to know how? Watch the video right here. Fire alarm, alert, alert, alert. Ricoma, why is your machine smoking? This is the First time I've actually got it up to temp, and I'm getting ready to press a hat for a hat press review. And your machine is smoking. What is going on? Now, I can honestly say I thought maybe somebody came in here and pressed, but then I had to rethink it like, wait a minute, I'm the custom apparel shop. I'm the only one that owns this store. And I'm only taking it up to 320 degrees, so it shouldn't be smoking like this. However, I don't know if that's grease. I don't know what that is that's on there, but it's got me a little bit worried. Ricoma, I see that you see that I see this, that we see this together. There's definitely some smoke. Get up underneath the plat real quick again. We didn't press anything yet. We were about to press, but nothing was pressed. What the hell? Excuse my language. Let's see what happens when I press. I don't know why it's smoking. I definitely smell burning though.
It's ready to come out.
So that's the burn mark. There's obviously something on this upper plant, but I still see fire. I'm not sure, or smoke. Yo, I don't know what's going on. In the middle of this review, we found out, my daughter was like, Dad, there's smoke, there's fire. We need to abort mission, but I'm gonna leave it on. This is the first time I've pressed with this heat press. I wasn't expecting no fire or no type of smoke or anything to be coming out of it, and yet there's still smoke coming out of that. So with the smoke and all of everything else that's going on, let's see if it actually adhered to the hat. It did, but not all the way, and I'm scared to go down for a second press as everything is on fire. Can we hit it with that second press? Dun, dun, dun. That really smells like burning plastic or wires or something. I'm not sure what that is.
Oh, it's smoking really, really bad.
It is smoking really bad. This is too high. From what I understand, that's 320 degrees. So let's knock it down to 300 just for this video's sake and see if that does anything. Did it change the target temp? 3, 0, 0. Enter.
No.
All right, so let's change to. Oh, it's at 422. That's why. Dun dun dun. So my miscalculation is it's at 420 degrees Fahrenheit, y'all. See, when I'm messing with the Celsius, I can't play that game. But when I mess with the Fahrenheit, I know what I'm doing. This is extremely hot. This is extremely too high. And apparently you're not supposed to go that high with it. So let's hit this again and hit enter. Bam. It'll stop dropping. It'll start dropping. But yo, even if it was at 428 degrees, it still shouldn't be smoking like that being a brand new machine. I thought that this thing went up to 485 degrees. Let's see. I'm gonna have to go take a look in these handy dandy instructions. And no, this was not planned. Remember, I make the mistake so you don't have to. Don't be like Mike. Change that over to Fahrenheit if you regularly use Fahrenheit. If you regularly use Celsius, then keep it on Celsius. I was just trying something new. And I thought I understood the translation, so my bad, Ricoma. But whew, I'm telling you. 220 volt, 120 volt. Yo, I repeat once again, don't be like Mike. Please read those instructions. I forgot that I had the machine on Celsius. Well, actually, I knew I had it on Celsius, but it actually went on the hat pretty nicely with no problems. The only thing was that smoking had me a little bit scared, but you gotta do your due diligence. I fumbled, I dropped the ball. My bad, y'all. It ain't Ricoma's fault, it's Mike's fault. I'll personally take it on the chin. And I'm not gonna edit it or take it out. I want everybody to see that I am human, I do make mistakes. So do you. We're not perfect. No one walking this earth's surface is, except for Jesus. But, you know I gotta shout out some of the squad. Or some of my YouTubers that's on right now. Connie Hard. Appreciate you joining and subscribing to my channel. I seen that you do arts and crafts as well. Might I say, they do look amazing. Shouts out to Texas Finest Apparel. He's been with me for a while. Actually, since I started this journey. Shouts out to you, man. Keep pressing forward. And to everybody out there that's been following me through this journey. What I call the so-called t-shirt journey. Crystal Daniels. Appreciate you liking, joining, and commenting on my YouTube channel. Without you or the rest of the squad, there'd be no me. Yo, y'all seen the ups, the downs, and the in-betweens, me not following directions to finally having to follow directions or being forced to, but it happens every once in a while. Like I said, no one's perfect. I appreciate y'all in a big way. Join my new membership. Apparently, I got approved for membership. I didn't even know overnight, and I checked it. Shouts out to YouTube for that in a big way. Go subscribe to the squad on Facebook, custom t-shirts and more if you're not a member. If you would like extra knowledge, I'm on there. I'm super active on there. And once again, Press Time Products is about to drop, y'all. Are you ready? I know I'm excited for it. But from Facebook squad to the YouTube T-Gang, I'm out.